So here's a question. What is the ideal number of cameras on a phone? Did you say 2, 3, 5? Well, trick question, because the answer is just more. More cameras is always better. Or at least LG seems to think so. The company filed a patent for a phone with 16 cameras on it. Yes, 16. Now, let's get one thing out of the way though. This is simply a patent. This does not necessarily mean that LG will build a phone with 16 cameras or that it's even working on one. This could just be a crazy idea someone at the company had and they put it down on paper. But if LG did build such a phone, and it's not out of the realm of possibility, it would be able to pull off a bunch of neat visual tricks. The cameras would be arranged in a 4x4 grid on the back, which would capture images from multiple angles simultaneously. That would let you capture 3D photos and video, but it would also enable some interesting avenues for manipulation. For instance, it would make it easier for an AI to identify the borders of a face and replace it. Or, if you capture an otherwise lovely shot of your beloved pet pitbull, but they're not looking at the camera, you could actually turn their face in the picture after the fact. That could also be helpful for finding the most flattering angle for your selfies, which, by the way, LG imagines foregoing a front-facing camera entirely on this phone and putting a mirror on the back to help frame your shots. Welcome to 2006. LG is already at the forefront of the camera count race with its 5-lensed V40, but it's quickly being challenged by the likes of Samsung and Nokia, each of which is working on a phone with at least 5 cameras. So LG might want to move quickly if it plans to remain at the top of the heap. We'll see you tomorrow with more Engadget Today.